Alright guys, so Dad got the frame welded back on. Sorry I didn't film the rest of it. Anyways, so he got the spring purchase bolted back on, as you can see, and he got it welded in right in there and on the other side, which I'll show you after. And he also wire brushed this and primed the frame to keep it from rusting. And I think he's going to be spraying it with black paint in the next couple days or so, whenever he decides to do it. But there's more of the welding, and he put a, if you can see it, I'll try to get it in here, but a gusset right in there and right in there to keep it from breaking apart. And he also put a piece of angle iron on in here, right in there, there's a piece of angle iron, so it'll keep this from breaking apart, and it should be nice and strong. And he got the rear ones in as well. This other one over here though, it's rusted right in here, you can see. So he's gonna have to replace this whole shackle piece, so he didn't bolt this one in yet. But okay, that's me for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe and comment down below if you want to see more of these. Thanks.